Warning, the beat I'm about to make is beautiful.
Make sure you got a tear tissue right next to it.
Crybabies. Let me put it on the right BPM, 80. Now, let's go look for a clap. And then we'll go right here, trap visions, and then we'll go clap. ATL, I think ATL is great. Now let's match and then look for some ATL hi-hats. ATL Jacob. Now we're gonna make these hi-hats not equal so that it can make a delay effect. It can sound a little bit different and it sounds better this way. I run out of things to search for, so now let's go look for some 808s, HQZ. They don't sound, no, wow, them hi-hats made me lose the volume, so I'm gonna increase this volume. These damn hi-hats. Now right here I'm gonna copy the same pattern and then put it on the other side and then put it on the other side by different notes. Now I add some high kicks on this one, you know. They are needed. I think I should decrease the volume of this kick. It sounded a little bit clashy. It's clashing, bitch. Done. Let's play the full track. And please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment and what you think down in the comment section. Subscribe, hit the notification button. Let's go.
Weezy.